All right, we just pulled up to the farmer's market. Let's go see if we can even afford these eggs. Can I get some eggs, please? Thank you, sir. $5. There you go.
20. $15 back.
Appreciate it, brother. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
All right, we're here. Beautiful O'Neill campgrounds. Super sick. I'm excited. I'm a little bit hungry, so maybe we start cooking soon. So this is probably the first time I'm actually using this like camp cook setup for a video. So this should be pretty exciting. This is a new thing I built. I made a video showing how I built it not too long ago, so you can check that out. Good old trusty Coleman stove here. And this Stanley cook set, which has been very legit. Let's see what kind of goodies we got here. Got some radishes, that's gonna be a nice little touch. Some whole tortillas. And we got some chorizo, very expensive, farm fresh $11 eggs. Avocado. All right, set up our stove. This is the kind of maiden voyage here. Okay, maybe the other one was defective. What the heck? What the heck? Well, that's not good. Well, that was an unexpected turn of events. I think we're having some issues where this is not working. Unless I just fixed it for some reason. I doubt it. Oh, yeah. Okay, well that didn't work the way I wanted it to, so hopefully my friends do show up and then we can use their stove to cook. So until then, let's just chill and enjoy this beautiful, gorgeous Sunday. There's been a ton of rain here lately in Southern California, so just across here, we're gonna check it out. It's like a beautiful stream. It's normally not this like rushing and roaring, so let's take a good look at that. It's literally like just a short walk. And got this really nice view here. What we'll do here is we'll do a log cabin style fire. So we just kind of like stack the wood one on top of the other. Still waiting on Miguel, should be about an hour. But in the meantime, we'll get this fire going. That's a great success there, my friends. That is a raging fire. We'll do the eggs tomorrow, but this will do for now. Look at this. I've never seen this before. Jumbo. Look at that thing. It's like the size of the cracker. It's perfect. Good morning, world. Miguel's here. Hao is here. And it was so windy last night. It was crazy. I was definitely afraid that these tree branches were gonna fall. But yeah, it's a crazy windy day today. So it's the windiest day of all time here. It's like a crazy windstorm, but we're gonna follow through. We're gonna keep cooking. So we've got our very expensive $11 eggs from the farmer's market, and we're gonna see what I mean? We're gonna do a Mexican breakfast staple, chorizo con huevos. So eggs and chorizo, really good. We've got our Snow Peak stove and we're gonna fire it up, baby. Let's do it. I guess the first thing I wanna do is I actually wanna cut up some of these radishes. So let's do that first and then we'll move on. So good. Excellent. Let's cut up this avocado too. Eggs and avocado. We got this at the farmer's market also. Yeah, we can cut that off, but it looks pretty good, huh? Woo! Make sure you guys like and subscribe, because that's just how crazy it is out here. It's so windy. We should be indoors, but we do this for you. All right, and now the eggs. You know, I didn't even check them. I hope they're good. I'm sure they are.
It looks pretty good.
Oh yeah. Farm fresh. Look at that. Solid. If you guys have never tried this at home, it's super easy and it's like absolutely delicious. It's very good. The smell. You guys can't smell it, but my God, it smells so good. Yes, sir. I know it looks kind of weird, but it's actually very good. Promise you. This snow peak thing is really nice. It's like nice and stable. Once we put the eggs on here, it's over. It's so good. This is why I like cooking, because you can kind of munch before everyone eats. I usually let this cook for like maybe less than 5 minutes, and then we'll just throw the eggs right in there. Super good. I know it looks like shit, guys, but it's good. Wait, how many? There's 12, right? So there's 12. So each one was almost $1. So yeah, we're just gonna plop them in there like that. Oh! Don't wear a white shirt while you're cooking chorizo. Big mistake. You know, actually, this is a pretty inexpensive breakfast. The sausage was like $1.50. And then even though the eggs are expensive, to feed all of us, it's like really not that bad. And it's just like a scramble. You're just gonna scramble it up. I like to break the yolks first. Boom, boom. And mix it all in there. Ooh, this pan is really full, but we're gonna do our best not to spill anything. Look at this, man. This is what it's talking about. So you get it all, the eggs cooked in there. The eggs kind of soak up the fat of the beef. I like beef chorizo. There's also pork, whatever you like. It's slightly spicy, but with some tortillas and like tapatio, it's over. Game over. Nice, look at that. There's a little bit of the fat in there, and I'm just gonna use that. You know you're a real Mexican when you don't use a spatula to flip your tortillas. Now, see, that's what we're talking about. That's the finished product right there. Let me know how it is, Miguel.
See? Let's see. Quality check. Quality check. Amazing, brother.
Of course. Cooking out of the element. Let's go. Mission success. Excellent adventure. Oh yeah, that's looking pretty dank right there.
Oh, so dank.
Wow, it's freaking crazy, man. This wind. Let's give this baby a try. That's bomb. Just like home. I love it. Good stuff, good stuff. If you guys want to see more cooking videos, leave me a comment down below on what we should cook next. And the highest comment, we'll cook that one for sure. Decided we'd fry up a couple eggs, why not? Make like a fried egg taco. Some beautiful avocados. Alright, what's a good egg pun? I don't want any yolks. All right, everyone. Hey, thanks so much for watching. Shall you later? We'll show you later. All right, everybody. Well, I hope you enjoyed that excellent adventure. That was fun. It was a lot of hard work because of the wind. But thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, if you want to see more cooking videos, let us know down below in the comments what we should cook. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and then check out this video here on where I show you how I made this beautiful bed platform / cutting board, which came in super handy today. All right, everybody. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Peace.